Oh, it's garbage.
Okay, good. All right.
No, it's
Okay, all right.
But what I'm running on is something different. I'm not running to exchange one tyrant for a new tyrant. I'm not running against special interests only to bring in my own special interests. Does that make sense? So when we talk about party and party influence and party that, aren't they supposed to be people? The party of the people? Well, I'm not waiting for that. I'm the candidate of the people. This is a people's movement. There's nothing extreme about our movement. This is about love. Love. This is about our country. Brothers and sisters, I have fought for and bled for this nation. This is my opportunity, for my last opportunity to serve and to preserve our Constitution. They want us to be the transgender state. And I say that knowing, I said, I do not discriminate. LGBTQ, my tent, come on in. I'll hug, we'll kiss, we'll do our thing. Don't read into that. I'm saying I love everybody, but my point being, we protect our children.
Strong people that are going to get up and do the right thing. We don't always have to agree what that right thing is, but morally and consciously, we have to believe in that person. We have to believe in that person's ability to relate to us, to be able to do the right thing as we deem it to be necessary. And I could give you guys, you know me, you guys all heard me tell my stories about being out on the ship and in the desert and doing all these things and fighting these battles. But this is the battle. This is the battle that we have to fight and we have to win. And if I go down fighting this battle, then this is the hill that I've chosen to die on.
Self-governance. So we're going to have a presentation, and it'll be our third one that we've had here, and it's going to be next Saturday. If you want to go to the next slide. There you go, right there. So it's about self-governance, or you'll be governed. So self-governance is all about common law, God's law, constitutional law, the real law. And so we are hosting, our assembly is hosting this event. It's a 3-hour presentation by a gentleman named Ron, who's an expert at this common law stuff. And it's a movement across the country for all the states and the counties to create their assemblies. Okay, the purpose of the assembly is to educate in self-governance as opposed to being governed, and to relate what the people want to the public officials. So please join us. It'll be fun. There'll be snacks and refreshments available. And there'll be a Q&A session afterwards. You can ask anything you want to ask about common law, what you've heard or haven't heard, or what you believe or don't believe. So 1 o'clock next Saturday.
You don't want to miss it. It will blow your mind, the information that you learn there.
Yep.
I've been to it 6 times. I had it 3 times in my house, so it's definitely good.